whitest side of the spectrum. Time saver too, less photo editing because my teeth have been whiter. My teeth are just so white. I'm so happy with the Auraglow. I didn't bring it on the trip because it's only like a day now with all my delays. We have an exciting package at the door here, Auraglow. Of course, yet again, it is past my bedtime and I am not in bed. So the thing that will help me do that and also benefit me at the same time, that will force me to not eat, not drink, not talk, is teeth whitening. So I'm very excited about a package that I have over at the front door that is going to help solve all of these issues. Let's go see what's inside. Per usual, I'm in a robe, so we will be unboxing this in the kitchen since Pat is already sleeping. So I'm just gonna get a opener. Kitty paw. Alright, a lot packed in this little LED. So the thing that I liked about it the most is that it is wireless, because I've seen somewhere you have to like plug it in, etc. Not ideal. And the reason why I also wanted to do this is Pat got this with one of his teeth whitening kits, and it basically shows you all of the shades. Mine definitely is not the whitest. As with any sort of product, it'll take about a month or so to see the full results. But this one is saying it will whiten up to 10 shades in 7 days. So just 1 week. Very excited to see this. In 30 days, have clinical results of whiter shades. And it takes 30 minutes per day. It's enamel safe, sensitive teeth safe. The thing that stood out to me is that it is enamel safe, because that's the biggest thing of why your dentist will tell you not to whiten is if you have sealants or anything to like protect your cavities, obviously, and then your teeth enamel, you only have so much, you can't just go buy more enamel. So let's unbox this. Alright, so we got our instructions, of course. This cute little setup here. Little pod case, which is nice that it also has a case, because usually it's just like the packaging. Nothing like this is perfect for traveling or just keeping in your drawer. It's kind of hard with my nails to open things. Alright, so here it is. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, so this little button in the middle is very sensitive, and that's what turns it on. And it is exciting that it's like pre-charged and just ready to go, and it was very bright LEDs, so we got that. I'll try not to touch the button again. Alright, then we got our two... Alright, we got our whitening gel, and I'm assuming the other one's just another whitening gel. Another whitening gel. And then in here, we got the charging cord. And it's got the little like prongs that match up over there, and of course a USB. So that'll be easy to use. So let's see how this works. Need to charge it. Will take 30 minutes, and once we're prepped and brushed our teeth, we will in a single stroke apply a thin line of gel to the inner liner of the tray, and then we'll put it on, sit back for 30 minutes. The light will beep and turn off when you're done. and you can always turn off the light early if needed, so we're not like wasting energy. And then we'll just do a little rinse. Feel free to brush your teeth or the tray to take care of any excess gel. Avoid eating or drinking except water for 1 hour, which is good because, oh, I just refilled part of this, but drinking more than one of these a day, I'll need some water after this. So yes, very simple guided images. Just swipe-a-roo one of these, put it on, after you of course have clean teeth, because that'd be really gross. So I am going to charge this up, even though the light did turn on. I guess it doesn't hurt to charge it a little more, and then tomorrow it'll be a lot earlier. As you can see on the clock, it's 11:17, so I would like to be asleep fully by that time tomorrow. And obviously you can whiten your teeth at any time of the day, but I just think it's easiest at night when you've like done your final teeth brushing, and it's just a good way to kind of like be like, this is my bedtime. So this is a Sunday, and starting tomorrow, so start of a new week, we'll do it every single day. And then with it, just have my Hatch alarm clock, and with my settings so that it's like the little glow light with the little ambient sounds or the rain. And then once that shuts off, I know like I've done my teeth whitening, I've wound down, had my sleepy tea, brushed my teeth, read my Kindle, and it'll just be ready to go to bed. So versus trying to fit this in during the day, during random times, I feel like it's hard, because then it's easy to be like, oh, I don't have time to do that, or I'll need to go do this. Obviously it's going to be like in your mouth, you can't really do anything. This will be a great accountability partner to fix this. This could be your teeth and the bedtime issue. I'll see you guys tomorrow at a much earlier hour. We are finally ready for bed. It's after 11, and I did go to bed after 2 a.m. last night, if you can't tell from these eye bags. Even though it's late, still making time for the teeth whitening. We spend so much time on our phones, and I'm gonna go do some Pinterest pins after this, so might as well whiten the teeth during that time. All charged up, a retainer charging, and then the little beauty vitamin fridge. So the little case it comes in, and here it is. Instructions one more time. Brush my teeth and everything. A thin line of gel to the inner surface of the tray on the top and bottom. Avoid overloading the tray. Put it on the tray. I'm just gonna, before I put the gel in, see how it fits. Nice, you don't actually feel like you have to, like initially you just bite down. You can definitely just hang out and put it in. It's not like you have to like chomp down like a retainer, so that's nice that it's not just gonna fall out. Let's put the gel in. Uh-oh, it's just oozing out on its own. Got a little pressure in this thing. Okay, so that thing to note, it comes out kind of fast. Alright, I would call those the thin strokes, but now it's still oozing out, so I don't know what to do. I'm gonna just quickly try and put the cap on to stop that from exploding again. The gel in, it stays nice, and then very easy to turn on and off. It's empty. It is the evening. It is 9:05 and I should be getting ready for bed or have already gotten ready for bed, but again, I am just behind schedule. But it is dark out and it makes the room a little bit more yellowy, especially with all the gold accents. But I just wanted to show, after literally 3 days of the Auraglow, how white my teeth are. Sorry for the close-up, but oh my god, even the here, like, that was so yellow with that little ruler. I'll have to do another comparison from the little marker number that I was at originally on day 1, but that is literally amazing after 3 days. Because usually with Crest white strips, I would do it and my teeth would feel tingly, and then it would be like over a week and it would be nothing, and I feel like I was like swallowing all of the teeth whitening glue instead of it going on my teeth. So time saver too, less photo editing because my teeth have been whiter. So there's just so many pluses, and I'm obviously still drinking dark liquids and whatnot, so it's not like other things have changed that would make my teeth different. Same toothpaste, everything. So and we'll keep on seeing what it is once. This light is not good. I believe the marketing, because don't trust all those random brands out there, especially for things that you're putting in your mouth. But peace out. Really how they shipped it. Not cool. It is now so late, 12:32, but I'm still going to make time for the teeth whitening.
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Oh, apparently my phone's listening to me. Alright, so let's get ready for bed, and I'm so tired that I think I'm just gonna have it on with a meditation. I'm gonna meditate and hopefully not fall asleep with this in my mouth. Are rocking the Kate Spade penguin pajamas. So originally my top teeth have always been whiter than my bottom teeth. They're pretty like yellow, especially down here, making me believe that after 7 days you can see amazing results, as all the 5,000 plus reviews say. So this isn't just a random light, it's doing something. Goal is to have habit stacking of thinking of getting ready for bed means also doing teeth whitening and not having it just be this like one-off big deal. With that, we're gonna have our nighttime vitamins of Soul CBD, Slippery Elm, Thorn thing. My goal. You can drink that much water you think you could teeth whiten. But yeah, so if you haven't read or even just like the Audible audiobook for Atomic Habits, I highly recommend it. I listened to the audiobook, but I do feel like it's easier to retain things if I'm actually reading. I also got the actual book when Target was having buy 2 get 1 free book sale. I have the Lashify lash extensions on that I put on myself, which usually do last a little over a week.